When you play free games on this app, you can earn money and receive free cash and gift cards. You earn more money the more you play. You can earn free TNG Cash, gift cards from Google Play, PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, Spotify, Netflix, Target e-gift cards. Watch this video until the end to know how to earn dollars. But before we proceed to the steps, let us know what this app is. Well, this is a play-to-earn platform that provides access to a variety of games and apps that let you earn money online by simply playing with them. In 2024, this application is a popular platform for earning money. Now you might ask, how is this possible, and how does this work? Follow the steps below, and I'll be revealing the name of the platform. Ready? Step 1. Visit and install this app. Starting with the first step, the name of the platform is M-Pesa. So, to get you started, visit the Google Play Store and download the M-Pesa app by simply clicking Download button. This is how M-Pesa looks like. After downloading, the M-Pesa icon will appear on your device. Click on it to complete the registration process and log in. Once you open the app, you'll see the dashboard, showcasing different playtime game options, surveys, app tasks, and other earning opportunities. One of the standout features of M-Pesa is its global accessibility, allowing users to earn from almost anywhere in the world. M-Pesa has a rating of 4.5 stars, which is quite impressive. Once I signed up, I noticed a user-friendly interface with several options displayed. One notable feature at the top was a section showing coins, 499 coins to be specific. Step 2. Earn money by playing games. Now this is how making money online works, so pay attention. To move on to the second step of earning money, you should download play-to-earn gaming apps. These gaming apps enable you to earn different rewards like free TNG Cash, gift cards from Google Play, PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, Spotify, Netflix, Target e-gift cards. Begin by visiting the Playtime Games section and clicking on the Play Now button. This will take you to the Playtime Games page, where you can browse through various games that offer opportunities to earn money online. For example, here you can see games. You can install these games on your device and start playing to make money. Clicking it leads to various options, where you may need to accept permissions and select a game to earn money. Upon activation, the app requested phone permissions. However, the game catalog did not show available games at that moment, prompting a message to check back the next day. So, in this video, we have the first game called Coin Master. Here, Coin Master is a free, casual mobile game developed by Moon Active that combines elements of slot machines, village building, and social interactions. In the game, players spin a virtual slot machine to earn coins, attack other players' villages, or raid their coin stash. Spinning the slot machine, players use spins to earn coins, shields to protect their village, or tools to attack or raid other villages. Spins are limited but regenerate over time, or can be purchased. Here are its following features. Building villages. Players use the coins earned to construct and upgrade different structures within their village. Completing a village allows them to advance to a new, more challenging level. Attacks and raids. Players can attack other players' villages to steal coins, or raid a friend's village to dig up coins for their own use. These interactions add a competitive and social layer to the game. Collectible cards. Coin Master features collectible cards that can be gathered from chests or trading with friends. Completing a set of cards rewards players with additional spins, coins, or other in-game items. Social features. The game connects with Facebook, allowing players to interact, send and receive free spins or cards, and compete with friends. Step 3. Explore and maximize your earnings using extra features. Aside from games, there are other earning options. The top Service tab allows you to complete tasks and surveys, or install apps and use them for 3 days to earn rewards. This is another way to make money using M-Pesa. To boost your income with the M-Pesa app, take advantage of its various features. For instance, you can participate in surveys, earning between 500 and 2,000 coins each, with a time commitment of about 10 to 20 minutes. Another option is to explore the top offers section, where you can find high-paying apps and games that reward you with hundreds of coins depending on the difficulty. There are also numerous survey options available. Just click on one to browse different providers, pick one, and start completing surveys to earn more. You can also take part in app tasks by installing apps and games to collect coins. An exciting feature is the Scratch It section, where you can scratch cards for a chance to win coins. Step 4. Invite friends for passive income. The invite feature allows you to share a referral link with friends. Once a friend installs their first game, you both receive money in return. You can view your rewards under the Rewards section, which also displays your total earnings. Some standout prizes include items such as power banks, earbuds, smartwatches, and Bluetooth soundbars. To generate passive income, take advantage of the referral feature. You'll earn 10,000 coins, while they'll get a sign-up bonus, making it a win-win for both of you. Simply copy your referral link and share it on social media. The more friends you invite and install the app through your referral link, the more money you'll get. Step 5. Withdraw earnings. Now, let's go through how to withdraw earnings from the M-Paisa app. This will display the available withdrawal methods based on your location. Different countries offer local rewards, such as bank transfers, wallet transfers, shopping vouchers, and more. In my country, options include Amazon gift cards, Target gift cards, Google Play gift cards, PayPal, and other alternatives. For example, I can withdraw a $15 Amazon gift card, but since I don't have enough coins for the $25 option, I will select the $5 gift card instead. Once I confirm the reward, the $5 gift card will be delivered within 48 hours, and I will receive the link to use it immediately for purchases on Amazon. Turning your gaming hobby into a source of income is now more accessible than ever with the M-Paisa app. To get started, simply install the app, play games to collect coins, take advantage of extra features like surveys, refer friends, and withdraw your earnings. With these simple steps, you can quickly start earning money online. Don't miss out on the opportunities and global reach that the M-Paisa app offers. I'd love to hear from you. What methods have worked best for you in making money through gaming? Feel free to share your experiences in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips on earning money online. Be sure to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.